Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing good and having a very happy and healthy life with your family, with your friends. So my name is Purva, those who are visiting me for the first time, and I make lifestyle related healthy vlogs and videos for you all. My friends, in today's video I'll be sharing with you all a summer special healthy full day Indian meal plan that will help you to lose your belly fat, and also it will help you to lose your overall fat. And my friends, if you want to maintain a good weight, this diet plan will definitely help you. And now let's start with this morning drink. You already have seen in my previous videos that this time I always prefer to have a chia seed water. In the lukewarm water I add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And here I want to tell few things about chia seeds. Chia seeds is one of the best superfoods to lose weight, from boosting digestive health, metabolic rate, high iron, omega-3 content, and good fat. Chia seeds actually make for an excellent addition to your diet. Now, after having this healthy morning drink around 8:30 to 9, you have to finish your healthy breakfast. And after having this morning drink, you can go for your morning exercise routine for 30 minutes. This is mandatory, my friends, if you want to lose your weight. Definitely with a healthy diet plan, you have to maintain a healthy exercise routine. So now here I am sharing a healthy poha recipe, which is a protein-rich poha, because today in the poha I have added some paneer. So first of all, in the oil I have added some mustard seed, and then I have added lots of healthy vegetables, colorful vegetables. You have seen I have added carrots, and also I have added some capsicum. And whatever veggies are available in your home, please try to add in your breakfast. And my friends, breakfast is the most important meal of a day. You have to have a healthy breakfast around this time, and timing is also important. So around 8:30 to 9 you have to finish your healthy breakfast. So here you have seen I have added some salt and then turmeric powder. Not much masalas, just simple masalas I am using in this poha. And then I'll add poha. Already I have marinated my poha with little bit of turmeric powder and some salt and little bit of sugar. And here I have added some raisins to make it more iron rich. So whatever way possible, please try to make your breakfast healthy, because healthy breakfast is the key to have a good weight and also to have a healthy life. You have seen I have added my poha into it, and now here I'm mixing everything well. And after finishing the cooking, I'll add some lemon juice on top. And lemon juice always helps to extract iron from your food, so that is very important. And also I have added a little bit of black pepper powder. That's it, not much. And here my healthy garma garam poha is absolutely ready. Typical Indian style breakfast, but absolutely good for your health. And also for my vegetarian friends, I think this is a very healthy option. And with a bowl of yogurt, you can always enjoy your morning poha. This is a very healthy breakfast. And also on top of the poha, here I'm adding some dhania patta or coriander leaves, because dhania patta always adds some flavor and also color into your dish. So yes, this breakfast is ready. And as I told you before, around 8:30 to 9, you have to finish this breakfast. Now, after having your breakfast and before having your lunch, as a mid-morning snacks, you can have watermelon, especially in the summertime. My friends, it is one of the best fruits to eat if you are trying to lose weight. Watermelon is packed with water and nutrients. 100 grams of serving contains only 30 calories, and it is a great source of an amino acid which helps to burn fat quickly. So please try to add watermelon in your diet, especially in the summertime. And now it's time to prepare the lunch. And today for the lunch I'm making super simple dal and lauki aloo ki sabji. And this is a very healthy recipe, especially in the summertime. You have seen I have already started boiling my dal, masoor dal. And here in this kadhai I have added some jeera and little bit of ginger, 2 pieces of green chili, some tomatoes and 1 bay leaf. And now I'm sauteing everything well. Also I have added little bit of salt and just a little amount of sugar, not much. And here I have added some masalas, turmeric powder, dry red chili powder, and cumin powder and little bit of dhania powder. And now I'm mixing everything well. Also, I have cut my lauki and potatoes. Here I'm adding my lauki and aloo into it. We Bengalis call lauki lau, and usually we make lau with some chingri mach or prawn or with fish head, but these are the rich recipes. But today in this healthy recipe, I'm just sharing this simple aloo lauki ki sabji. We call it lau diye aloo jhol, and sometimes we put some bari into it. And so yeah, but today I'm just using lauki and aloo. And after mixing everything well, then I'll add some warm water into it, and I'll transfer it into the pressure cooker because today I'm in hurry, and whenever you want to save some time, you always can transfer this into the pressure cooker, and then you have to wait for just 2 whistles. It will be absolutely ready. And in the time I'll make my dal. So yes, here I am adding some garam masala. Garam masala always adds super taste into your dish, and especially in this kind of recipes, we Bengalis call it dalna, lauer dalna. So in these recipes, we always use some garam masala. And my friends, in the summertime, if you want to maintain a healthy diet, definitely you have to add lauki in your diet because lauki helps to lose your weight. And this is an absolute superfood. Please try to add lauki in your diet regularly. Here you can see I have transferred it into this pressure cooker, and also I have added some water, and now I'll wait for two whistles. Also I'll wait for 2 whistles and my lauki ki sabji will be absolutely ready. Here in this karai I have started making my dal. In the oil I have added some methi dana, that is fenugreek seeds, and also some onion. And now I'll add my masoor dal. Already you have seen I have boiled my masoor dal. So we Bengalis love to have masoor dal. We always try to add masoor dal in our regular diet, and this is a very simple, very basic and very light and very healthy dal recipe. So here I have added my dal. I'll add pinch of salt and some turmeric powder, and it will be absolutely ready. And here you can see I'm adding some green chili, we call it kacha lonka. And yes, the consistency will be little runny because this is the way we love to have our masoor dal with some hot rice. And here I want to show you that here my lauki ki sabji is also ready. On top of it, I'm adding some ghee because ghee is very good for your health. Please try to add ghee in your dal and in your curry. And also then I'll add little bit of dhania patta on top, and here my dal is ready. To make the lunch platter even more protein rich, here I'm adding some omelette into it. So I'm making one omelette, and you have seen in the beaten egg I have added some dhania patta and some onion and also some green chili, because this is the way we Bengalis love to have our omelette. And yes, now I'm making my omelette, and the oil I'm using to make this omelette is olive oil. And my friends, here the lunch platter is almost ready, and now I have organized everything. The amount of rice you have already seen in my previous videos: 1 bowl of rice, 1 bowl of dal, 1 bowl of fresh lauki ki sabji. And this is a very healthy, very tempting summer special diet lunch. And also 1 egg omelette with olive oil and 2 pieces of roasted papar. And yes, some salad, fresh salad always helps to maintain a good weight, and 1 green chili on top of that, and 1 piece of lemon. So now it's tea time. Around 5 o'clock you can have one refreshing hot tea without sugar. Please remember, my friends, without sugar if you are on your weight loss journey. And with that you can have some healthy nuts, you can have some puffed rice, or you can have whole wheat rusk, which I'm having today. And this can be ideal and very healthy afternoon snack. And now it's dinner time, and for today's dinner I'm making super healthy and super easy chicken recipe. Chicken helps to lose your weight. This is a good source of protein and it's white meat, so it helps to lose your weight and especially to lose your belly fat. And with chicken here I'm using lots of vegetable. I'm using capsicum. You can see I have added green capsicum, then red capsicum. These vegetables are very good source of fiber and it helps to lose your weight. And here I'm adding my chicken, and now I'm mixing everything well. I'll add just a little amount of salt and then black pepper powder, and also I'll add one masala that I always use to make my chicken. And this is how my chicken looks like at the end. This is super simple, super easy and delicious recipe. In some other video I'll share this recipe in details. With lots of vegetable, this is fiber and protein rich, and with one bowl of dal you can always enjoy one whole wheat chapati. And this can be your ideal summertime special dinner. And it will definitely help you to lose your weight. So my friends, this is my whole day diet plan, summer special, to lose your weight and lose your belly fat. I hope you have enjoyed my today's video. Please take care of your health. I'll be back soon with a new video with a new content. And also do your regular exercise, have plenty of water, and please always try to focus on your good mental health as well. And definitely you will achieve your weight loss goal very soon. Tata, bye bye, love you.